Alright, back. Got the S&S rods this time. So let's see how strong these ones are and how straight they are. The between ones are like Harley, they're semi-strong and they were equally bent. Let's see what wrist pin clearance we got on this one. This one I think will take the old pin. Not really. Still did not like this pin. I think that's an Evo pin. It's not marked as being an Evo. Just an old pin, a knucklehead pin here, so I know for sure what it is. Okay, that's why it doesn't work. Evo pin. 1 thou bigger. That's why it won't fit. Should be 82. Yep. 17 on the mic makes it 82. It should be 81. Just 1 on the mic, see? No, that wasn't a full thou difference. It's about 8/10 difference. Okay, so this is for an Evo. I didn't grind the end of it yet like I should have for marking it, so that needs to get done. I like marking my stuff. See, Evo pin here. See that ground on the end of it? That tells me it's an Evo. That's how I identify 1 thou difference. Okay. I like this one, it's longer than a Sportster, so I get better support with my dog here. And it's about the same as the other one. It's off by about the same amount. It's more on this side than on the top. Okay, let's see how springy these are. They used to be pretty springy. Let's see how springy they are these days. I don't think I changed the twist any, but it's definitely higher up now. So that needs to go down. A little bit more pressure. And it didn't really do a lot. So I've got to do more twisting. Not doing much. Sneaking up on it, I guess. Over here. Bend it more this way. Over that way. Taking twice as much pressure as that other rod. Hey, it finally moved. Finally got too much twist in it. Didn't come back very easily either, that's good. Mainly this way, a little bit that way. Yeah, too much. No, it's not that. Nope. Didn't go down enough. Yeah, it looks pretty center now, but it's still got to go this direction. Didn't move. We're only trying to move it about 3 thou. It ain't moving. So they're pretty strong. And I think it still needs more. Let's turn 180 see. Let's go this way. Yeah, looks like about the same. Okay, looks pretty close. So I took a lot more effort to bend that one, as you can see. We didn't get that big overbend like we did on the other one. Didn't really bend enough to make an overbend. Okay. About the same there again. It's a lot more on this side though. The up and down's not too bad, but you got a big gap on this side. So it's got about at least 20. So I'm gonna try to bend it that way. It'll wind up being, once you get that gap down, then it'll have to come down a little bit too, because as you pull those two corners in, you're gonna get daylight on that with the corner, which means you gotta go down with it. So I'm doing a little bit of both. I'm twisting and I'm pulling down slightly. Ooh. It's pretty close. Pretty damn good. There's a gap there. Go down just a little bit. Now it's going back to where it was, so it bends quicker that way usually, so I might have went too much. We'll see. Depends how much springiness we get. No, still needs to go back that way. Bottom now, but I don't see any clearance at the top. But it doesn't matter, so. Looks good. Close enough for me. See the gap in there? There you go. You want to make this thing? They make it. April 11 of 65, 66. What year is that? That's when you bought it. So you want to see the label. Correct direction. K.O. Lee. Knockout. I don't want to call it knockout because you're not knocking anything. I think these are for rocker arms out here, but I'm not sure what they're checking. Be some more accessory stuff maybe, I don't know. This is probably a stop. This is probably for a rocker arm or some stupid thing. And being Dad, he chromed everything, so he chromed that, chromed this thing here, he chromed all the stuff over here, all the levers and stuff I chromed here. Same thing on the boring bar over here. He chromed all the knobs and stuff and handles and stuff on this. And I think he got the bandsaw too, didn't he? No, he didn't do the bandsaw. He missed the bandsaw. Yeah, he didn't like the bandsaw, I guess. He chromed stuff. Drill press got chromed here, but that's about it. He didn't chrome anything else on that, so those might have came chrome. But Dad liked chroming stuff back in the late 60s, early 70s. Did everything. All right, there you go. That's how you straighten rods. So now they're ready to be honed.